Luka,
What's up, brother?
motivation, pleasure. So first things first, man, how's LA been treating you?
Great, man. I know you like LA. You
You know I
LA.
love LA.
So, but the biggest part for me is the beach, man. I love the beach. Good weather. I like the people. So.
Do you surf?
No, I can't. It's in my contract. I would like to, but I can't.
You know how?
Yeah.
You do know how, but
Yeah.
you can't.
More wakeboarding.
Okay, I got you. I got you.
Did it as a little kid.
So the people in LA, when we heard the news about the trade, we were shocked. What was your emotions?
More than shocked.
Because it's like you don't really know, right? It's like it just happens.
Yeah. I didn't really know. It was at night, so I mean, I was shocked. I didn't know what to think.
You know, we thought it was a joke. We thought it was a lie. It was like, ain't no way in the world they're about to give us him. And when you came off that plane, man, what did that feel like knowing that you was coming to this great organization of so much tradition?
It was great, man. I mean, you see the names up there, you know, how many great players play for this franchise, how many championships they have, what kind of culture is here. So, you know, obviously first couple days I was still somewhere. But, I mean, just being part of the Lakers organization is huge.
This basketball stuff, right? How big is it in your country that you come from?
It's pretty big. I'd say it's probably top two sports. Obviously soccer in Europe is big. But I think it's top two. So everybody loves basketball in my country. It's small, so everybody knows it. So.
But you make it to the professionals early over there, meaning that they put you against men at an early age.
If you're good.
If you're good.
Yeah.
That was your thing.
That was me.
Because I remember seeing you playing against grown men at like 17 years old.
Yeah. I think I was 16 when I played against the NBA team first time, against Boston. They came to Madrid, and I think I was 16. I played like 4 or 5 minutes. So.
But you wasn't scared?
No.
Did that prepare you for the NBA?
I mean, not that game, but just playing with 16, practicing with grown men, you know, it prepared me a lot because there was a lot of guys that played in the NBA before they came back, so they taught me about that.
And you had to grow up fast?
Yeah. I left my country when I was 13, so.
Were you playing video games at that age?
Oh, yeah, for sure. You know that.
Do you still play video games?
I play sometimes.
What you play?
Overwatch.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna
You
have to
play
look.
some?
Yeah, I play Call of Duty, Madden, FIFA.
FIFA, you play FIFA?
Very good in FIFA.
I like that.
Very good.
Should get in the game.
Yes, I am very good in FIFA. You play soccer in real life?
Yeah.
I seen you kick the ball around like you
Yeah.
know what you're doing out there.
I'm from Europe, I gotta play.
So World Cup is coming here.
Yeah, no.
You going for your country or do you have a favorite team? Because I don't go for America when the World Cup comes. I'm sorry.
They're not that good.
No,
It's probably
I
the
go
only
for
sport they're
Brazil.
not that good at.
I'm sorry, I go for Brazil. But the ladies, I'm USA all day, USA. But the men, if y'all don't get out of here.
I mean, I'll go for my country if we qualify.
If y'all qualify?
Yeah, for
but
sure.
But if you don't qualify, you really like it, right? Because you get to go for who you really care for.
Yeah,
Who
tough.
you like outside of your country?
I mean, I like Brazil too.
Me too.
Portugal, you know, Cristiano.
Argentina.
Argentina's good too. So. But I mean, if my country makes it, I'll go with my country.
What has been
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Niggas be hating, I'm rich as a bitch. 100K I spun down on my wrist. $200 spun down on your bitch. Do me your model.
What has been the toughest thing about playing with LeBron James?
I wouldn't say any toughest.
That's the answer I was looking for.
Oh,
That's just the answer I was looking for right there. It's not tough. It should be easy to play with him.
he just wants to be great, man. Just talk about his 23rd season. I say I might not be able to walk no more at 23rd season, and he's still doing it at the best of the best. So it's insane.
That's amazing to know that you had a relationship with Kobe Bryant and now you playing with LeBron James in the building that means so much to us in LA. Does any of that go through your head while you playing and on a mission for a championship, thinking about that?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, Kobe brought so many championships here. You know, LeBron brought a championship here, so I want to be the next one to do it for sure. But just, you know, I met Kobe. I playing with LeBron. Just as a little kid in Slovenia, you know, I just wanted to play basketball. Just wanted to touch the NBA, and now I'm playing with the best.
So I gotta bring this up, Luka. When you was in Game 5 playing with the Mavericks against Minnesota, I was sitting next to somebody that just wouldn't shut the He wouldn't shut up. He kept talking to you all game. I'm like, oh, would you shut up? And y'all was losing. But when y'all got the lead, you looked him right in his face and was like, you said something to him, and they thought you was talking about me. I said, no. I'm not a Minnesota fan. I'm just sitting in the crowd. Luka's talking to him.
You're a Luka fan.
Now we've cleared that up. We had to clear that up.
Yeah, I wasn't talking to you.
He wasn't talking to me.
But I'm not sure we were losing at all that game.
Oh, y'all did win. Y'all dusted them off.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Good job.
I left my keys at home. I woke up in the new Bugatti. Photoshop. They always standing in front of somebody car that ain't theirs. Hey man, get from in front of my damn car. You Batman now. 46 Batman. This is Batman and Robin.
Good job. I got to show you something, Luka. This right here is an all-star ring from Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. 1985, and this is 1971.
Yeah, I wasn't born yet.
See, that's the year I was born. That's my 14th year here. But I'm saying these are symbolic to me. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, all-star
nice.
rings. This is what they got back in the days,
It's nice.
right? So the all-star game is in LA this year. Are you playing?
If I make it, I'll play.
You know damn well you making it. Talking about if I make it. The hell out of here. Now watch this. This is what Jeannie Buss gave me in 2020.
The ring?
And this is what I need for you to bring us this year. See how it's gonna spin around? It's gonna spin right into you.
Nice.
See how that spin right to you? This motivation. This is
that is-
inspiration. I shouldn't have one and you shouldn't have one. We should have one.
I agree. I agree. That's nice.
This is the mission, Luka. I'm letting it spin around. It's spinning around in your head. It's spinning around in your spirit.
bring the magic.
It's spinning around. We want a championship. Luka
Yes, sir.
will bring it. He's gonna bring it. Stop spinning and listen to me. He's gonna bring it. You get back in there. So I want to go outside of basketball for a minute. Fatherhood. Now, when I became a father, it changed me. It made me like a better person. It made me like start to evaluate and take my job serious. You being a new father and with a baby on the way, how is your mentality on and off the court?
I mean, it changed for sure. Just seeing things more clearly. But at the end of the day, it's the best gift in the world. You can't get nothing better. So just being part of her life, it's unbelievable. And
Oh, you got a daughter?
yeah,
Oh, you finna change.
yeah.
She finna stick you right in the heart, Luka.
I hope.
Let me tell you, the girls is, but it's gonna make you a better man.
Yeah, for sure. But after when they turn 18, there's gonna be the problems.
Security.
I'm already.
You know how you got security? You need double
Oh
security
yeah.
for her.
I'll be the security.
Thank you. There it is. There. She got an uncle too. I got her back too. Don't trip. I brought something for your daughter too.
Oh, it's nice.
Snoop on the
Oh.
stoop.
Appreciate that.
I mean, Access Hollywood. We're
But
fully
age is
access.
14 plus.
It say 14 plus?
Yeah.
Well, she can grow into it.
There we go. Appreciate it.
So normally when basketball players, you know, come out, headphones on or whatnot, or they have some sort of musical ritual, is there anything that you listen to before the game?
I have mostly music for my country.
I love that. It's inspirational, right?
You love that music?
No, I love the fact that you are culturally into your music. Like, you're not trying to, like, listen to rap or listen to this. You listen to what makes
I
you.
listen to everything, honestly.
But before the game.
Yeah, I put it on the speakers.
You do?
Yeah.
Loud?
In the arena.
For real?
Yeah, they put
Okay,
my
I love
music
that.
on.
I love that. I need you to make me a
That's big.
playlist. Make me a playlist of some
All
of
right.
your favorite songs.
I will.
So I can know what's in your head before you out there playing. Like, okay,
I will.
Luka, listen to some.
It's more the accordion. You know the accordion? It's more that.
Accordion? That one?
Yeah.
They picked me up from the airport with a bagpipe and an accordion. And they got the pipe. We're gonna make a
I'll
song
get you
like
some
that.
songs.
You will?
Yeah.
Thank you, Luka. I want to say this, man. Thank you for all that you do for us in LA. You inspire us. You give us hope as far as on the court and off the court.
Thank you.
We are diehard Laker fans. Like,
I know you are.
we bleed this.
Yes, sir.
This is our life. We bleed this. So when we get you, we feel like you have become a part of our family.
Appreciate that.
You make us better.
Appreciate that.
What is it like right now playing with the team, knowing that they like,
It's great.
they gelling, it feel like y'all hang out with each other.
Yeah, the chemistry has been great. Like, everybody's good. So
It feels like we could see it. Like you can feel when the team don't hang out,
yeah,
and you can feel when they do hang out. You know what I'm saying?
you can feel it on the court. You can see it. Like we're having fun out there. That's when you play the best.
That's the key, having fun. So Rob said he was gonna give me a 10-day contract. I'm trying to see, should I play small forward, shooting guard? What you think?
What do you want to play?
Center. I
I'll
want to
tell
be
him.
the center of attention.
I'll tell him.
I need some shoes. So these your new shoes?
No.
What's your shoe line?
Jordan?
Jordan?
I have my own shoe, yeah.
You hear I
We gonna
flossing?
get you some, yeah.
He said I got my own shoe. Guess what? I do too.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
I can't wear yours, though.
No, hell no. But you can wear this.
Yeah.
You can definitely wear this.
Yeah.
A championship coming to a hood near you. It is coming to a hood near you.